Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make this delicious and healthy quinoa and cranberry tabouleh. Starting off, you're going to want one large handful of fresh coriander or cilantro, one large handful of flat leaf parsley, not the curly one, a small handful of fresh mint. Also, I'm soaking 1 cup of quinoa in boiling water, draining it. Next, half a cup of pine nuts and another half cup of dried cranberries. You're going to want the juice of 1 lemon, a drizzle of olive oil, extra virgin, and some salt to taste. Starting off, finely chop the coriander and the parsley, and also the fresh mint. Make sure you get it very, very nice and small. Next, we're also going to finely chop the cranberries. I actually ended up doubling up on those, which will be shown in the end result. Go ahead and sprinkle on there your pine nuts, squeeze on your lemon, make sure to avoid the seeds, and add in your soaked quinoa. Crack in there some salt to taste, give it a good stir alongside your olive oil. And there you have it, folks. This is a beautiful dish. It's really, really healthy and it's really, really nice. Refreshing, perfect for the summer, even though we're approaching winter now. Enjoy!